Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I will be replacing my discs and brake pads, as you saw in the title, of course. But before I start to replace, two good news. So guys, the first thing is that I bought another car for a special reason, of course, because I need another car to move to work, and my Alpha, which is my daily, is not a cheap car, and I decide to buy another one, and I find a great opportunity, and I'm gonna show you in a future video. But take a look to the car. Guys, that car also will be restored, but I need to focus right now in the Audi. But of course it will be a daily for me, so I have to do maintenance. But that is a really interesting thing, because I bought really cheap, because I thought it have a blowhead gasket and it doesn't. So guys, another good thing is that we reach the 2K subscribers. Man, I'm really grateful for each one of you. It's really important to me, to feel your support, because in this side, not every time it's easy, Guys, your support, your messages, it's really important to me. So I'm really grateful to each one of you. And guys, I will give away a polo like this. I will make a video about it. Each one of you could win a shirt like this. So guys, the shirt will have your name. Yeah, each one of you, the shirt will be just for you. It's not a shirt from the channel. It's a shirt from the channel, but with your name, your country flag, which means it doesn't matter where you're from. I will send to print your country flag with your name, with my channel name and Audi logo. This one is from a Portuguese club and will not have these inscriptions on the back. Just will have these ones right here. Another thing that probably you will realize is that I paint one of the wheels. Actually, I paint two. One is already installed, the other one is not. So guys, I already paint two of them. It's missing the rear ones. I will paint another one and keep one to show you how I did it. As usually I do in the channel, I always show how I do it in my way, So guys, let's replace these brake pads and discs, and let's go, guys.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware.
So guys, as you can see, the discs and pads are not in bad condition, but the thing is, in the other side, there is a problem in the brake caliper, so I decided to replace for new ones. I will also paint the brake calipers in another video. So guys, let's replace discs and brake pads. Let's go. So guys, the first thing we need to do, if you want to replace the front brake discs or pads, is to return the piston or the cylinder, as you want. There is special tools to do it, but I don't know why. I didn't bought yet, but I need to buy. But I will use a screwdriver, put it right here and return the piston. So the next step is to remove two caps. That is here. You can remove with a screwdriver or something. Right here. Another one right here. Now you have access to the screws that hold the brake caliper. brake caliper is out. Now I can replace the pads, but I will also replace the discs. One important thing, guys, you also should have something to hold your brake caliper, because if you drop the brake caliper you could damage the brake fluid line, so it's not a good idea. You can use everything you want, just try not to damage the brake line. So guys, I'm gonna start replacing the discs, okay, and then I will replace the pads, install everything back again, and do the other side and see what's going on with the other side, because there is a noise. So guys, if you have a wire brush, just give it a clean right here, and then add copper grease over this area. Let's go. So guys, this side is done, no shakings, and let's do the other side and see what's going on with the other side, to see if I can fix also. Let's go. So guys, this side I'm not returning the piston because I want to show a different way to return the piston if you want and you don't have the right tool to do it. So I will not return the piston and I will show you another way that you can do it. So guys, as I told you, I knew that there is something with this side because when I am driving, you know, in an irregular street, I heard something like this. This is not tightened, man. Yeah. So guys, in this case I didn't return the piston. To show you another way to do this, you can use a hold pad, you install it or not to remove, it's okay. Now with the C-clamp, you put it here. Of course, if you have the right tools it's way easier, but this also works. You put a C-clamp like this, careful not to damage the hose, and just turn it. And it's done. Okay. Move. And the piston is returned. So guys, the job is done, but there is one important thing that I need to alert you. When you work in the brakes, be really careful. At least, I don't know, maybe the first 100 kilometers, because the brakes will not brake as usual, so you need to adapt first. So guys, I hope you enjoy. We continue to restore this Audi A3. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe, take a look at my other videos, and as usual guys, see you soon, stay tuned.